Hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade volatilities. So if you want to make money trading volatilities, make sure you stay tuned to this video and watch it to the end. Don't skip any part, because this video you're gonna learn a lot, like learn how to trade volatilities and make money for yourself. So guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video, a new strategy for you to make money, guys. Okay, so let's go down to the strategy. Exactly. Okay, this is volatility strategy that you can use to trade on all volatilities. Volatility 75 index, volatility 50 index, volatility 10, 25, and volatility 75 1x index. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can simply do the setup for this strategy and start making money. So now let me clear my chart. Okay, I'm gonna delete all the indicators that are here. Okay, so you see guys, I just cleared my chart. So you set your zoom level. First thing you need to do, set your zoom level to the third zoom level. Yeah, to the third zoom level. Exactly. So the next thing you do, the time frame, guys, you can use from 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, and so on. 1 minute time frame is not bad, but it's too fast, except you are ready to be very active trading it. Guys, it's very fast. That's the reason I don't usually use 1 minute time frame, and I don't recommend it for you. So you better use from 15-minute time frame to make money with the strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna try to play some trades with this strategy right here on this video. So let me make it fast so we can start up. The first indicator, guys, you need a moving average. Yeah, a moving average. Okay, let's take the first moving average, the awesome oscillator. So we search for the awesome oscillator. So okay, awesome oscillator, the first indicator. Then for the levels, you set it on 0, 0. As you can see on my screen, you click down. So this is the awesome oscillator that we just set. For the start, the volume up, make it 3 pixels, and the volume down, red. So the volume up, the value up, green, the value down, red. You click down, so you get your awesome oscillator just like the way you see it on my screen. So this is the awesome oscillator. It's an indicator. So the next indicator at the main window, the main window, you click on awesome the main window, you go and search for moving average. We're gonna use period 10. Set it on period 10, shift 0, mentored exponential, apply to close. As you can see, please pay attention, guys. Then you click done. The style, the style. Let me go back. The style for the video, for the moving average, is 3 pixels. You take the color blue, then you click down. So this is the moving average. Then the last indicator is another moving average, which we'll be using period 21. The same, shift 0, mentored exponential, apply to close. The star, 3 pixels, and then let's use red. Click save, then you click done. This is just the simple indicators you need for the strategy. Okay, right now, guys, I'm gonna be explaining how to use the strategy to make money. So using the strategy, guys, I put it on 5-minute time frame. So using the strategies, you need to watch out for two confirmations with this strategy. Two confirmations. Okay, what is the first confirmation? First confirmation, watch out for the blue moving average and red moving average intersecting each other. So that is your first confirmation. Each time they intersect with the red and the blue, it indicates a signal. Okay, then the second condition is that watch out for the awesome oscillator moving above this zero level. You can see this zero level moving above or below the zero level. That is the second condition. So now, how do you place a buy with this strategy? Look, when you see the market, and then you see the blue moving average cross above the green, the blue moving average cross above the red, it indicates a buy. That is your first condition to place a buy. When you see the blue moving average cross above the red moving average, it indicates a buy. That is not enough for you to enter the market. Come down to the awesome oscillator and check if it is above the zero level. When it's above the zero level, it indicates a buy. When it's below the zero level, it indicates a sell. So at this point, guys, we gotta buy. The strategy is pointing on a buy because the awesome oscillator is above the zero level and the blue moving average is above the red moving average, which moves up. You can see the buy. You can make money from there. Again, continuously. That is the strategy. Okay, to place a sell, guys. To place a sell, you watch out for the red moving average crossing above the blue moving average and the awesome oscillator going below the zero level. So if you were watching this market, first you see first confirmation at this point, you wait for the second confirmation, which was almost at the same point, and then you make some sell and take profit, guys. So this is the strategy. It's a very simple and powerful strategy for volatilities. Yeah, so this is also a very nice example, guys. For the sell, you can see the red moving average crossed above the blue moving average, which indicates a sell, and then the market sold down. You can see this is a very good entry at this point. At this point, it indicates a sell. The red moving average crossed above the blue, and the awesome oscillator is below the zero level. So guys, it's sold. Same here, it's a buy. Blue moving average cross above red. Not just that, it's also the awesome oscillator. It's also above the zero level, which indicates a buy. As simple as that, guys. You buy when the blue moving average cross above the red moving average, and when the awesome oscillator it's above the zero level, and then you sell when the red moving average is above the blue moving average, and when so that's it, guys. So as I was saying, you sell when the red moving average is above the blue moving average and the awesome oscillator below the zero level. You sell. You buy when the blue moving average is above the red moving average and when the awesome oscillator is above the zero level. That is as simple as that, guys. So I'm gonna look for conditions to play some trade on this market. So this was supposed to be a very good opportunity, but it seems like it's already gone. So let's check out for volatility 25 index. Seeing this strategy, it also work for it, guys. It also work. You can see it also work for this strategy. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Very powerful strategy to make money. You can make money with this awesome strategy for volatility 75 index, volatility 1x, volatility 10 index, volatility 25 index. Yeah, so guys, watch this right now. We can see an intersection here whereby the blue moving average cross above the red, and it's also above the zero level. That is the awesome oscillator. So this is a signal to place a buy. So checking the 15-minute time frame, it is about to move to the upside as well. You can see though the red moving average is above, but you can see an intersection is up. It's occurring, but from the smaller time frame, our condition is met, and it's working towards it from what we all can see right here in the video. Look at the 15-minute time frame. It made a move to the upside. Look at the 1 minute time frame as well. It also intersected, which means a buy, and then it buys. Yeah, even from the 5 minute time frame, it also buys. So that is it, guys. That is it. So let's jump down to volatility 50 index. So at this point, you wait for it to intersect. You wait for the red moving average to cross above the blue, so you can place a sell. Good as that, as simple as that. So let's see the most popular volatility coin, the most popular volatility index, which is the volatility 75 index. You can see from watching in from this strategy, guys, you will see that from the 15-minute time frame, it indicates a sell, but an intersection is about to occur. Like the blue moving average is pointing upward, and once it intersects, and then the awesome oscillator also cross above the zero level, then you place a buy. Very simple strategy. The strategy also works for volatility 75 index. You can see it cross above, it's a sell continuously, and this is a so it cross above a sell, crosses below a buy. Once both conditions are met, that is the strategy, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video for you guys. So good luck.